Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. This is day 92 and in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this flip-up ledger pocket, and I want to share with you that this is actual ledger paper from the 1930s, and I love it. My friend Bibi of Bibi's Closet Creations gave it to me, and I'm so grateful to her for that because I didn't have any in my stash. If you would like the instruction booklet on how to create all of these pockets, below in my description box is a link to Cindy's Ko-Fi shop, and it'll take you right to that booklet. Today you'll need some ledger paper, and you're going to want to cut it into a rectangle. You'll also want glue or tape, a scoreboard or a bone folder, ink, or washi tape. Today I'm starting with this authentic ledger paper, which is absolutely amazing. This was given to me by my friend Bibi of Bibi's Closet Creations, and I'm so grateful to her for sharing this. It's almost 100 years old. I believe that it's dated 1934, which is just absolutely amazing. The first thing we're going to do is fold the top down to create our flap. And then we're going to fold the bottom up to create our pocket. Now my ledger paper, like I said earlier, is so old and it's actually a bit brittle and it's cracking a little bit. So I am going to fortify both of these creases with some tape. Since this most definitely has a vintage vibe going on it, we're going to stick with that, and we are going to use this washi tape if I can find the end of it. Now that that is done, I don't need to worry about those folds cracking and breaking and the paper falling apart. We should be good to go now. So now I'm just obviously trimming up the extra washi tape that went over the edge. Now let's check it. It should open, no problem. Yep, we are fine. That's good. Still some flexibility there. I like that. Did I glue the... I didn't glue the edges yet, so let's go ahead and glue that now. So clearly I should have done that first, but that's okay. We will open this up and add some glue to form our pocket. I know this pocket is quite similar to our pocket yesterday, but that was not intentional. I never read ahead. I just take the pockets one day at a time and create them, and I don't look ahead to see what's coming up. So this one looks a little bit like yesterday's, except for the fact that it's on a very cool ledger paper, which I absolutely love. So now the question is, do we want to embellish it more? And I have to tell you, I love being able to see the writing that's on here. I mean, this is just great. It's amazing, actually. So I don't know that I want to embellish it more. Maybe since this line is blank here, I could go across the bottom with some thin washi tape. Let's see what we have. We have this one. This would look fine. I also have this black and white stripe one. That would be kind of interesting. And let's see. I have this one too that has numbers on it. That might be cool because it's ledger paper. All right, let's go across the bottom with this. Oops, that'll be kind of neat. And I did round the corners on this paper, so actually let me make sure that's taped down really well. And I will go ahead and cut around the corners. There we go. I think that looks really neat. So I'm not going to add anything else to it because I think it's just great the way that it is. I will go ahead and slide a tag into it though. I have this pretty tag here that I think is like the perfect style to go inside of this pocket. So we're going to slide that right in there, and there we go. And Obviously, you guys know that you can adhere this down on your journal page. We're pretending that's a journal page. And you can make it so that it flips up. You can glue it on these 3 sides and a tag can go behind it. Or you can glue it on 2 sides, and this side could be open like that, and the same, and this side could be open like that. Lots of options with this pretty flip-up ledger pocket. I love it so much. Okay, my friends, check out Cindy's channel today. See what she came up with. Thanks for watching. See you soon.